Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now you can pick this up from Apple. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one ranges from $2,800 to $6,500 depending on your configuration. Now it comes in two different colors. You got space gray and silver. Alright, so let's go through all of the specs. You got a 16-inch Retina display with the resolution of 3072 by 1920. Now that's 226 for the PPI Patrol. It goes up to 500 nits brightness and the maximum refresh rate is 60 Hz. Now this one has the Intel Core i9 processor that's clocked in at 2.3 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.8 GHz. Now this one also has 64 gigs of DDR4 memory with 1 terabyte of storage. Now on a side note, the maximum storage you could get is 8 terabytes, and that one's going to run you over $6,000. Now this one has the AMD Radeon Pro 550M graphics card. You got a full-size backlit keyboard with touch bar and touch ID. You got a 720p FaceTime HD camera, high-fidelity 6-speaker system, a 100-watt-hour battery with a 96-watt power adapter, Bluetooth 5.0, and it's running Mac OS. Alright, so let's unbox this and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
White shoes.
calm down. Now look, let me say this. I am not a Mac user. I've been using Windows my whole life, but my 2020 New Year's resolution is I'm going to start using Mac full time. Now, if you watch my videos, you see my last MacBook. I really only use this one for watching YouTube videos and for doing all my DJing. All right, shout out to DJ Cringe. But this year, 2020, I'm going full throttle Mac OS. So let's learn this together. All right, so nice presentation. A little white box. Giggity. Let's see what it is. Okay. Okay, on the back, plain white. Let's see how this opens up. Straight like that. Okay. Now this is going to be MacBook. I went with silver. Let's see, we got USB Type-C to USB Type-C. All right, that's the cable. Let's see. Now, this is going to be your usual books and shit. Let's take a look at them anyway, though. Okay. Apple Troll stickers. All right, we're going to need that. And that's pretty much it on that. 96-watt power adapter. Now, on a side note, charge your iPhone with this and watch how fast it charges up. It's crazy. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now for the MacBook, let's get that plastic off. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Apple logo on the front. Let's see, on one side, you got two USB Type-C Thunderbolts. Got a headphone jack. On the front, nice and clean. On this side, two more Thunderbolts, USB Type-C. And that's it. Let's open this up. Okay, now here's your keyboard. 6-speaker system. I'll do a little side-by-side comparison and see if the speakers sound that much better. Apple logo is booting up. Here's your touch bar, touch ID. We'll check the key travel on this keyboard in a minute. All right, since White Shoes bounced, let me do a smell test on this one. Oh, this one right here. This one smells like a fresh Frappuccino from Starbucks, which I will be getting as soon as I power this up. You can take this to Starbucks and rock out like a douche. All right, you know you want to do it. On a side note, let's just see now. Quick comparison. Here's my 15-inch.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, hold up. Here's my 15-inch. All right, so they pretty much look about the same. Now, one thing I did like about the 15-inch, had my SD card slot on the side. All right, and HDMI, everything was already built in. This one, we're going to have to get an adapter. Let's open this up real quick. Let's see any difference to the keyboards. Now here's the old one. And here's the new one. Let's see. Now the old one, this one is super old. No touch bar, no touch ID. Pretty much look the same. Let's see. All right, let me pause the video real quick. I'll set this up and then we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, now this is not going to be a full review because honestly, I don't know shit about this computer. I'm still trying to learn it. But so far, fresh out of the box, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. I'm already loving it. And there's 6 things that already caught my eye. Number 1, the build quality. Number 2, the display. Number 3, the speakers. Number 4, the keyboard. Number 5, the touch bar. And number 6, Touch ID. Those 6 features so far got me already in love. Let's break it down real quick. First up, the build quality. Now, I've had MacBooks in the past. This one is no different. Excellent build quality, 100% premium. Let's do the one-hand test. All right, can you open this up with one hand? No problems and no liftage. You ever notice with some laptops when you try to open it with one hand, it lifts up off the table? This one opens up nice and fast, no liftage at all. I can open it with one thumb. Bang. I love that. Next, check this out. Now you see it's locked up. I'm already feeling this. Watch this. Watch the Touch ID. Look how fast that opened up. Let's do that again. Now y'all know I used to love the Huawei computer with the fingerprint sensor. Let's go to sleep. All right, so we slept it. I used to love the Huawei computer with the fingerprint sensor. I thought that one opened up super fast. This one opens up actually a little bit faster. All right, so there's your Touch ID. Let's open up the display. All right, you see it's locked up. I'm just gonna rest my finger on it. Bang. Less than a second. That is so sick. All right, so the Touch ID, I'm already loving, but check this out. Now, I didn't even know. I haven't done any research on this. You see that bar on the top? That's your touch bar. Check this out. It's actually a display. That all lights up. So you can see, I can make my, I don't know if y'all can see this. As a matter of fact, I'll do it twice. This is how I'm gonna make the display brighter or dimmer. Got my recently used windows. All right, let's get max brightness on this. Let's see, all right, that takes me to all of my apps. Let's hit escape. Let's see, we got keyboard brightness. All right, let's get max brightness on the keyboard. Got your audio controls. All right, play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got mute, volume up and down, and Siri. All right, so let's try Siri. What's the weather for tomorrow?
It should be nice tomorrow. Up to 46 degrees and sunny.
All right, like I said, I didn't even know that was a full display on this. All right, let me see if let's exit out of that. Look at that. That's a full display. That is sick. All right, that is sick. All right, let me calm down. That is kind of sick, though. I honestly didn't even know about that. I thought Touch ID was just like, I thought it just stayed there. I don't know what I thought, but I didn't think it was going to be this sick, though. All right, I'm hyped. This is dope, though. All right, this is dope. Now, watch this. Let's open up a web page. All right, let's get full. I want y'all to see this display and listen to these speakers. All right, let's hit play. Look at this display.
I'm literally loving this camera.
Oh, no touchscreen. See, hold on, let's see.
Beautiful houses.
Now, did y'all see me go like this? Y'all see me touch the display? That's how used I am to Windows computers. I love having touch screen. So I'm gonna have to get used to not having a touch screen. But look, you see that touch bar? I can use the touch bar to skip the video. Oh, that's sick. All right, let's hit play. Listen to these speakers and watch this display. Look at this. These speakers sound incredible. Speakers coming from the front. And like I said, you see the touch bar? Now look, I can hit pause right there. Oh, this is sick. Got the video time. All right, 7 minutes left. Let's see, I can skip and reverse. Oh, this is tough. All right, this is tough. Backlit keys. All right, let's hit pause. And we'll exit out of this. Let's see, you got escape. All right, now let's check the keyboard. Nice key travel on this. You know what I'm saying? Nice clicks. But here's one thing. Now, I'm used to typing on mechanical keyboards. All right, let me exit out of this. Now, usually when I type on my mechanical keyboards, I love to hear those loud keyboard clicks. This is nice and low. Here's my real typing speed. Okay. Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Yeah, nice key travel on these. just not loud enough. I like RGB keyboards with that bang, bang, bang sound. This one ain't got it, but I'll get used to it. Let's exit out of this. I'll get used to it. Let's take it over to the launch pad. Let's see. All right, so it comes with a bunch of apps. Now, I bought mine with Final Cut Pro pre-installed, so I'm going to start using that to edit my videos. But you got iMovie, Apple TV, podcasts, FaceTime, messages, blah, blah, blah. Everything you need on deck. Like I said, once I fully learn this, I'll do a follow-up video and let y'all know after I've been using it for about 2 weeks. But as of right now, the Touch ID, the touch bar, the display, the speakers, the build quality, I'm sold. All right, I'm sold. I'm just going to have to get used to not having my Windows features. I'm used to the Windows drop-down menus, and I'm used to the way everything Windows works. My biggest thing that I'm going to have to get used to is not having a touchscreen. All right, that's why I'm still going to have to keep my Huawei MacBook on the side, because when you're in the bed and you're watching videos, nothing like being able to skip or just tap like that. But then again, let's see. Maybe with this touch bar, I might get used to it. Let's see. Hope that. This is so dope. All right, anyway. Before I wrap this up, I did pick up a few accessories. All right, so I got the USB to lightning cable. All right, so I can plug one in. Let's see. Matter of fact, let's do that real quick. See if I can charge my phone. All right, so let's see if I can charge up my phone. So I'll plug in a USB Type-C. Just grab the iPhone. Charging up. All right, so that's a nice little accessory. Let's see what else we got. USB Type-C to SD card reader. All right, let me show y'all what that looks like. Okay, so that's how this looks. Basically, USB Type-C, and I can plug in a full-size SD card right into the Thunderbolt. That's good. And we got one more. Magic Mouse. All right, so let's unbox this, and let's see how this one works real quick. Let me grab a little knife. There we go. I'll leave the links for all of these in the description. You know, you buying Apple products, so they're going to make you pay. Probably got jerked. Let's see. Okay. Magic Mouse. Okay, and I did actually have one of these. I forgot about this. Magic Mouse. Let's see. Anything else in here? Oh, this is Magic Mouse 2. All right, number 2. And it comes with the USB-A, the lightning adapter. That's pretty much it. All right, so now let's check the web browsing speeds. Go to apple.com.
Here's what I found.
Let's click on that. There it is. Super fast. Scrolling speeds on deck. I like this trackpad. All right, it's pretty big, easy to use. No problems with that. All right, one more thing I wanted to show y'all. Now, I can't tell y'all how much I'm feeling this touch bar. Check this out. If you notice, I'm on my Gmail, but if you look at the touch bar, it shows Facebook. So if I click on it, now I'm back to Facebook. Now you can see it still shows Gmail. So I just click on it, back to Gmail. This is so sick. And if I hit Windows, open up another website. Oh, look, it says Facebook right there and it says Gmail. This is so sick. All right, so now just notice something else that I don't like. If you look at the back of the laptop, if you notice, the Apple logo doesn't light up. Now, my old MacBook, once you open it up, bang, you see the lights? I'm gonna miss that. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, like I said, so far, fresh out of the box, this is a triple major go. Now, I'll do a full review after about a week, and I'll let y'all know, as somebody who's been using Windows for life, how does it feel to switch over to using a MacBook? Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spot 2 to beam up, me and Shoes.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Alright, Shoes, let's get up out of here. Energize. Shoes up. Ow. Ow. Ah!